The i5M is more than a fast EV, it's a statement that the soul of M Division is alive and well, even without a combustion engine. BMW fans, this is the car that has to win you over to electric. The future of the sports sedan is here, and it's electrifying. The i5M is coming to set a new standard. Get ready for the next chapter of M performance. BMW is all in on electric, and they're not holding back. The competition is fierce, but BMW is aiming for the top. The i5M is the car to watch. The electric M legend begins now. This is the future of driving excitement. And it's electric. Stay tuned for more. Let's wrap up. Here's what it all means. 2026 is a turning point for luxury EVs. Faster, smarter, and more ambitious than ever. The real breakthroughs are in software, suspension, and battery tech, making these heavy cars feel agile and fun. From Ferrari's solid-state gamble to Hyundai's family luxury and Cadillac and BMW's electric performance, the message is clear. Boundaries are being pushed. These aren't just electric cars, they're flagship statements, designed to be the most desirable vehicles on the road. The competition is fierce, and that means better choices and more excitement for all of us. Which 2026 EV are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives on the latest in electric luxury. See you in the next one.